Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how we can make chili chicken, only way. Start by cutting chicken into bite-sized pieces and patting them dry, then marinate briefly for flavor. Next, mix corn flour and spices for a light coating and fry until crispy but not greasy. Set fried pieces aside while you prepare the sauce, so everything finishes hot and the chicken stays crunchy for serving. Warm a wok on medium heat and add a splash of oil to wake the pan. Gently sweat onion, garlic, and 1 small chili to build aroma without burning. Pour in chili sauce, soy sauce, and a pinch of sugar, then simmer until glossy and slightly reduced. Fold the crispy chicken into the sauce quickly so the coating stays crunchy, while every piece gets an even, spicy glaze before serving hot with rice or noodles. Let the finished chili chicken rest briefly so juices settle and crunch remains. Plate over steamed rice or alongside fried rice for a satisfying contrast of textures and temperatures. Scatter fresh spring onions and sesame seeds to add brightness and a little crunch on top. If you like it saucier, offer extra sauce on the side so guests can adjust heat and moisture, keeping the main portion delightfully crisp while still flavorful.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.